We need to fix the rear brake of the car which has been jammed, and it's actually creating a friction and not letting the rear tires to move at all. So we need to open the cap of the drum mechanism. It has been jammed with the rear drum brake. So the tool we are using is, we're gonna put it on the drum, put the bolts like this. Now when we're gonna move it, then it will pull the cap of the drum mechanism. A little bit manual effort has to be done with the hammer. Here we go, the cap has come up. You can see the brake shoe that has been stuck on the valve. So we need to fix it or adjust it. We are doing a screwdriver. Now we're gonna clean the inside body of the drum with a sand emery paper. That's the brake and cylinder mechanism. We're gonna put grease on the balls, the bearing. We need to clean everything and then put the cap back. And now see the moving freely. Initially it was stuck with the brake, now it's moving freely. This is how we cleared the jam brakes. Clean, grease, and then put the main bolt on tires.